This is rather ironic, my little haul today, because I just watched, well, yesterday before I went out, a video on what Americans believe about Europe and the UK. And one of them was, on Sunday, everything's closed, everything's shut down. This is bullshit. This is just something that somebody's written because either they're misinformed, living in the 1950s, oy vey, or they're just pushing an agenda to say that England is a very religious, devout, Christian, whatever place. It's not. This proves it. This is my delivery. Today is Sunday. You even get deliveries on a Sunday. Oh, there was average on it. So yeah, this is what the shops are open. I mean, the supermarkets are open till I think 9 p.m. So it's not like it was, say, 60 years ago. 60 years ago, you still had shops that would open on a weekend. This is a hoodie. I don't like hoodies really, but this is just the hoodie. It's not an actual jumper. It is literally a case of. Oh hell! Don't know how well it's going to come out on the thing, but yeah, I like this. It gives you a good covering to the nose, covering to the throat, back of the neck. As a hoodie, it's a nice feel as well. It's got a nice feel to it. A lot of these things, they feel like they're going to wear out really quick. Yeah, there was another one the same, but really, really woolly, and it looked too feminine. And plus, things that are too woolly, they do wear out fast, and they irritate the heart of my skin. That is very good. That is it's quite lightweight as well. So that's going to be replacing my balaclava, which is great, but I find it very claustrophobic if I'm trying to sleep wearing it. So I can't. I don't wear anything when I'm sleeping other than that balaclava, just to keep heat retention for my head. That is going to be better for that. I think it's like a couple of quid, I think. What do I get? And I got little things because you get free delivery if you buy. Oh yeah, my thermometer. I want to get a thermometer just so I can do my nerd thing when I'm camping, just so I can see what the temperature is. I did have a little one somewhere, but God knows where it's gone. But, oh, come on. Open. It's a sticky pad. No. I wanted something that didn't need batteries. Okay, that's the sticky pad there, I think. So yeah, that is what I wanted. Just something I can take with me that is easy to read, and that is a nice, easy to read thing, and it seems to be accurate. It's reading 15 Celsius. I wanted something that will go negative as well, negative Celsius. So that's reading about 15 Celsius. That's pretty much the temperature. So that's going to go camping with me. Nice lightweight, and it's just what I wanted.
Just what you wanted, really.
What else do I get? I am debating getting more stuff for my laser experiments. What the hell is that? What the hell? I don't know what the hell that is. That is... Oh, that's my magnets. Why is it in such a weird bag? That's like a... I like it, the bag. Yeah, that's actually an inflated bag. That's fucking awesome. I like that. That's what you call mega bubble wrap. That's something really good if I want to carry something like my laser stuff, or something I don't want to get bashed around. Like, yeah, that's just the packaging. I like the packaging more than the actual product, which is weird. Let's go down that pile. Yeah, these is it a pack of 4? Yeah, I got 4 of these. And what they are, they're laser on the brain, magnetic hooks. So you've got your hook, you've got a nice strong, it's supposed to be extra strong. There we go. That's how strong this one is. It's holding my vice grips quite happily. Yeah. The idea is I've got a few like this, but not quite as powerful, not quite as big magnets. The idea is to put these on my power cord above the hammock, and that way I can have another one or a piece of metal. And I don't need that many really, but that actually work like that. Yeah, it will. Okay. Yeah, there you go. So I can have them like this. Yeah. See, it's not magnet to magnet, it's magnet to metal, metal to magnet either side. That way I can have that on a guy rope or a power cord on the outside. This can actually have, yeah, my oven ready tinfoil blankie thingy, ground sheet in between, and it would just hold it up off me. So it would give me a bit of breathing space, ventilation above me, so I won't have to keep messing about with it. So yeah, I've got 4 of those, which is great. So I could either have them like this, or just have a piece of metal underneath, just to hold the foil ground sheet I use as a blanket off me. So yeah, and more little baggies for heroin. I don't do drugs, but I'm sure I'll find a use for these little bags. It's handy to have these things because they always come in handy with something. Like if you want to, do I have anything small enough to go in there? Possibly. But things like, you know, these things to go in. But yeah, that's, I'm not going to keep them in the bags, or will I, actually? What I'll do, I'll put them in a bigger bag. Just so I don't lose the things, so they're more obvious. Because otherwise I'm just going to lose the buggers. So I can go in there like that. Right, so that is today's haul. I got that. I got my hoodie thing. And what else do I have? I lost it. Put it away. Where'd it go? Thermometer. Ta-da! That's very, very flimsy. But I think it's less than £1. So yeah, I like that. It's very, very... Of course, I'm going to have to test it somehow about to see if it is actually working or if it's just set on 15. So I'm going to take to 17. Yep, my testicles are 18 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it works. La la la.